Afternoon all. So, here's where we're at with the padded cell. It's a bit of a patchwork quilt made up from all the scraps I managed to claw back from the thieving bitch. So here it is at the moment. It's in a mini trying to be barbecuing without having to sit on a axle stand. And that's about as far as it goes, really. Just a day of grinding, cutting and stick welding. I'm getting quite good at welding shitty metal now with sticks. Not so good at cutting concrete board though. But more of that tomorrow. I might have to do something with this little stunner too soon. I mean, look at it, what a beauty, eh? When you drive down the road, you need that big ass basket on the front there for all the G-strings that get thrown in it. Women just can't stay away from it. Look at the bad boy. What a bit of class, eh? Meanwhile, another depressing things. I swapped out the 3 litre engine for a 2.8 and that thing smokes more than the one I took out. What's also annoying, it won't boost over 10 psi. I don't really know what's going on there. The only piece of the puzzle missing was the fuel pump. I didn't switch the pump over. Well, I'm not switching the pump over. I just had to sell this thing at a loss, I think. Well, I mean, I sell everything at a loss. But what can you do? This is Thailand. And yeah, that video I put up the other night with a big old bang. Now, let's just finger my phone screen. There it is over there. Let's go and have a look. Oh, I'm not going to bother walking all the way over there, but I think you can pretty much see where the back axle's to. The back axle's up by the back lights. If only been driving on the right side of the road. For that concept just evades them. They don't need to drive on the right side of the road. They don't even need driving licenses. That's amazing here. Still, I suppose I better get back into the acid jazz and me bottles of Leo. Catch you all later.